Money is no longer made by working all day. Now, smart people let technology work for them. Sounds surprising, right? But this is the truth of our time. The internet is full of tools that can earn money for you even when you're sleeping. You don't need to be a tech expert or a business owner. You just need to know which AI tools can do the work for you. These tools can write, design, edit, or even build online stores on their own. In this video, we'll look at 5 amazing AI tools that can help you make money automatically. Each one is simple, powerful, and ready to work 24/7 without rest. Stay till the end, because number 5 is something most people still don't know about. Let's begin this exciting journey. 1. Copy.ai. Copy.ai is a writing tool that helps people create good content very fast. You don't have to be a great writer to use it. You just type a few words about your topic, and Copy.ai will make a full paragraph, ad, or blog for you in seconds. It's perfect for writing posts, emails, and YouTube scripts. The tool also fixes spelling and grammar mistakes, so your work always looks neat and clean. It can write in many styles, funny, serious, or friendly, so you can choose what fits best. Copy.ai also supports more than 25 languages, making it great for people who work with clients from different countries. It's used by students, marketers, and freelancers who want to save time and earn more money. Many freelancers use Copy.ai on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer to write for clients. You can earn by writing blog posts, captions, or social media ads using this one tool. The free plan gives you up to 2,000 words each month, which is enough for small work. The paid plan, which costs about $36 a month, gives unlimited writing and access to more templates. It also includes SEO tools that help your writing appear higher in Google search results. You can make product descriptions for online stores, write scripts for YouTubers, or even create business emails for clients. Copy.ai is like having a smart helper that writes better and faster than most people. If you use it well, you can turn it into a real side income every month without much effort. 2. Canva Magic Studio. Canva Magic Studio is a design tool that helps people make amazing pictures, posters, videos, and logos without needing to learn hard design skills. It has thousands of ready-made templates that you can edit easily. You just pick a design, change the text, colors, or background, and it looks professional in minutes. One of its best tools is Magic Design, which creates designs automatically based on what you type. It also has Magic Write, which helps you add short text or quotes, and Magic Eraser, which removes things you don't want in your image. There's also Magic Edit, which can change colors, faces, or clothes in pictures with one click. Canva Magic Studio helps people earn money online by making designs for others. You can create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, business cards, or ads for companies. Many people sell these designs on Fiverr, Etsy, or social media. The free version has many good options, but the Pro plan, which costs about $12.99 per month, gives you millions of photos, videos, and icons to use. It also lets you resize designs for any platform, like changing a YouTube thumbnail into an Instagram post instantly. Canva can also remove image backgrounds, fix photo lighting, and even make videos with automatic caption. You don't need a powerful computer to use it. It works online on any laptop or phone. With Canva, you can turn your creativity into income, even if you've never designed before. 3. Pictory.ai. Pictory.ai is a smart video making tool that helps you turn any text into a full video. You just paste an article, blog, or YouTube script, and it automatically creates a video with matching pictures, short clips, background music, and voiceovers. You don't have to record your voice because it already has real-sounding male and female voices you can choose from. You can also add subtitles in one click, change the colors, and even use your own logo. The tool supports HD quality, so every video looks clean and ready to upload. It saves a lot of time because it edits everything by itself. Even if you don't know how to edit, your videos will look like they were made by a professional. Pictory.ai is very popular among YouTubers who make faceless videos. Many people use it to create travel stories, facts videos, or motivational shorts without showing their faces. The starter plan costs around $19 per month and gives you 30 videos each month. The Pro plan gives even more options like longer videos and extra templates. You can make money by creating videos for clients, posting content on YouTube, or selling ad-based videos online. You can also make business ads, TikTok videos, and social media clips quickly. Pictory.ai works online, so you don't need a heavy computer to run it. If you can type and click, you can make great videos and start earning money right from your home. 4. Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is an AI tool made for writing strong and catchy words for businesses. It helps you write product ads, social media posts, website pages, and even YouTube descriptions. The special thing about Jasper is that it makes your words sound exciting and professional. You can tell it what kind of tone you want, funny, friendly, or serious, and it will write in that exact style. It has a feature called Brand Voice that remembers how you write, so all your work stays in your tone. This helps small business owners and freelancers who want to save time and look more professional online. Jasper also includes over 50 ready templates for ads, blogs, and emails. The creator plan costs around $39 per month and is perfect for anyone starting a business or freelancing. Many online sellers use Jasper to write product details that attract more customers. You can earn money by writing for businesses that need help with marketing content. Jasper can also help make better captions for social media, so posts get more likes and comments. It's easy to use and saves many hours of work every week. If you are good at typing, Jasper can turn your writing into a small business. You just give it an idea, and it turns that idea into words that sell. Many freelancers make a steady income every month using Jasper.ai because it helps them write fast and well every time. 5. Synthesia.io. Synthesia.io is an amazing AI tool that makes talking videos without using a camera or real actor. You just type your script, choose an AI person, called an avatar, and the tool makes a full video where the avatar speaks your words. The best part is that the lips of the avatar move perfectly with your text, making it look real. You can pick from more than 120 avatars in 60 languages, so your videos can reach people from many countries. You can also add background music, logos, and subtitles easily. The videos look professional, and you don't need to record anything or show your face. It is perfect for people who feel shy on camera or want to make content quickly. The tool is great for making YouTube videos, online courses, product explainers, or business presentation. The personal plan costs around $22 per month and gives you enough credits to make several videos. It also gives you templates for different topics like marketing, education, and news. Many freelancers use Synthesia.io to make videos for clients and get paid. You can earn by creating short ads, social media posts, or company training videos. It saves time because you don't need editing skills or expensive tools. Even beginners can make videos that look like they were made by a team. With Synthesia.io, your words turn into talking faces, helping you earn money and share ideas easily. It's one of the simplest ways to start a video business right from your computer. These AI tools are changing how people work and earn money. They make it easy for anyone to start earning online, even without special skills or big money. You can use them to write, design, or make videos, and they work like helpers that never get tired. They save time and help you earn more with less effort. The best part is that you don't need to be an expert. Just learn a little and start using them. The future of earning is smart and simple. With AI, you can build your own small business, earn from home, and let technology do most of the work for you. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy guides on money, business, and AI tools. Share this video with your friends who also want to earn online without much effort. Remember, technology is not just for experts anymore, it's for everyone. Start small, stay patient, and let AI help you create your own success story. See you in the next video.